What's up, everybody? It's Dre Trays 2 in today's video. Free stock picks, plus I'm going to show you a trade where you can make 300% on your money. 300%. Now, this is not one of those videos you think it is. I don't want your email address. I have nothing to sell you. I don't want you to watch anything. There's no clickbait. You're going to see it right here on this video. And if I'm full of shit, just go ahead and put it in the comments or whatever. And, you know, put it in your paper trading simulator and you tell me about it, because this is 300% in 7 months and I'm pretty sure it's going to work. And I got 2 picks for you, man. One pick you already know about, but I got a fresh pick, and this is setting up to be one of my best trades. I just got to put the trade on, but I'm watching it and it's ready to blow. But first, let's look at the market. I always do this. If you're new to the channel, remember, like this video, all right? I'm telling you, you're gonna like it. But wait a minute, first, damn, I gotta change this tune, man. I gotta change this tune. All right, that's what we do, man. We have fun over here. We have fun. All right, I'm just playing. Let's get down to business. All right, so here we are, man. The Dow. All right, first it's September 29th. It's Tuesday. It's 1:56. I always show what's going on at the time I make this video, because you might watch it later and you kind of put it all in, perspective. So the Dow was up down 68 points. S&P down 7. Nasdaq up 1. The market was actually down 150. It was crazy. Now it's turning around on me as I'm actually preparing to make this video. Even the VIX was up kind of hard. It's kind of settling in. I don't know if any news took place. I'm kind of reading my headlines here. Capital Medicare Part B so I don't know, but big debate tonight. So things could change. Things could change to it just could be a different day, man. What you seen yesterday, what you seen today could be totally different to what you see tomorrow. Just kind of keep that in place, man. Big debate tonight. All right, so let's look at the heat map. Should I have refreshed this thing? I don't know if it automatically fresh, so you can see what's going on. I'm looking at Facebook. I was a little bummed out on Facebook yesterday how I wasn't keeping up with the other FANG stocks, but now it's leading the pack, so now I'm on board. This thing always seems to get me on the wrong side of it lately, but there you have it, man. It's about a 50-50. If I would throw a dart at this board, if I were to throw a dart at this board, I would probably hit red, unless I hit Facebook. So that's how I kind of look at it. But there's what's going on. All right, so let's get into what you want to see. Now, the first stock, I've been talking about it in all my videos. Not all of them, but God, you go in the timeline, you're gonna see every other video. I'm talking about Peloton. Today was the breakout. You see right there, new high today. You see the range, I got it, highlighted right there. And finally, it's breaking out. And I'll tell you what, man, if the stock market does anything that it's been doing when stocks break out, generally, I'm not saying this is gonna happen, okay? But it goes up. It goes not up, but straight up, right? And that's the trade I don't like. I'm not saying that's gonna happen, but that's been the pattern over the last 6-7 months on breakouts. I like breakouts to look something like this, and that will make me feel more comfortable in staying in the trade. But if this thing starts going straight up, number one, we're gonna make a lot of money. Number two, we're gonna have to prepare to abandon ship. All right, but let me show you something. This is the 4-hour chart. You can see all the volume coming in. I'm gonna switch to a weekly, because there we go. Let's go to the daily. Sorry, we're gonna look at the daily real quick. My bad. We're gonna look at the daily. All right, I want you to notice all of this volume kicking up right here, right? And this is when the stock really started getting hot, when the stock started pumping, all right? $68, all of a sudden the stock is picking up volume. You look all up until that point, besides right here, and that was earnings. We'll go ahead and blame that on earnings. It's been doing nothing until right about here. Why? I don't know. I don't really know what was going on, but I'm telling you what's going on right now. Institutions are picking this stock up. Someone big is picking this stock up, and you can see all of the volume all of a sudden coming in. I love stock charts where you see the volume, you see nothing, and all of a sudden volume starts and we're going up. All right, so I'm just kind of throwing that out there. I love the way the volume looks in this stock right here. Okay, let me see something with the weekly. Okay, look at the weekly. It's totally over exaggerated in the weekly. That's crazy volume. Look at that, and it's still going up. It's not like we peaked and it's coming back down. It peaked and it's going up. That volume is insane. I'm still bullish on Peloton, and this is the stock where I'm going to show you the 300% trade. That's right, a 300% trade in Peloton. Okay, so I'm looking at the volume here, and now, okay, all right, let's move on. All right, so let's go ahead. Okay, so let's talk about the trade. Now, I'm going to bring up my trade tab, and we're going to do a trade on Peloton, right? The April 6th, the calls that expire April 21st, okay, that's 199 days out. We are going to buy the 105s and sell the 110s. Now, to do that, that's going to cost us $178. Now, the reason why I'm laughing, because I set this up in the before this video, and it was actually trading at $1.05, and then I saw it to go to $1.50, and now it's $1.75. The premium is really coming up in these options, man. So $1.75 this is actually gonna change the numbers a little bit, but we'll compute it. See, now it's saying $1.63. So basically, that's the trade we're gonna do, and let's do it 4 times. All right, let's try to keep our money right around $600, and let's go ahead and analyze that trade. And you can see, let's bring it over here. Let me lock it in at $1.65. We'll say that cost us. And you can see the most we can lose is $660. The most we can lose is the premium that you put to buy this, but to buy the trade, right? $165 times 4, $660. That's the most you can lose, right? All right. So what's the most you can gain? $1,340. Now we got to correct the math. So it's 1,340 divided by 660 equals. So the most we can make is 200% on this trade. All right, it's a 200% on your money trade, but that's still good. And this is in 7 months we can make 200% on your money. Do you realize how much money you can have if you could do that every 7 months? You'll be a billionaire in no time. In no time. All right, so let's look at what needs to happen. Basically, we need Peloton to be above 110. Now, I told you about that volume. I told you about the institutional buying. I told you about the breakout. We need it to be above 110 after April 16th, 2021, okay? If it's above that price, we're gonna pocket $1,340. If it doesn't make that price, we're gonna lose $660. That's the most we can lose. All right, now, hey, there's a break-even price. Let's check out our break-even. Kind of zoom in here. All right, and our break-even price is about 106. We'll call it 106.59. All right, that's the break-even. Let's call it 106.50 just to round it off. 106.50. Basically, as long as it's above there, we're going to make money. If it's above 110, we're gonna make 200% on your money. You can't beat that. That's a free trade. That's a free stock pick, and that's a free trade, and it costs you absolutely nothing. Put that trade in your simulators, in your paper money. Come back to me and let me know if I was wrong, right? But the momentum is behind Peloton. Volume's kicking up. Stock is breaking out. And like I said, lately, these things been going straight up. This thing could be above 110 tomorrow. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen, but it could be above 110 tomorrow. So just keep an eye on this stock. Now, the next stock pick, oh my God. I should charge you for this. But I'm not, because this is Dre Trades 2. You get free trades over here. Anyway, the next stock pick, it's one of my favorite, is Twitter. Let's look at Twitter real quick. Let's pull up the what do you want to pull up? We'll pull up the weekly. Look at that. I got my lines drawn. You can tell I just been watching this stock. There it is. You could see the resistance. You could see the breakout. And it's a beautiful breakout. Now watch what happens. Watch what happens when I pull it down to the monthly. Oh, gosh. Oh, look how beautiful this cup and handle looks. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. We are breaking out. Now, to be a complete cup and a complete breakout, when the monthly, we want to break above that line. We really do. And we need to close above there. True, we need to close. This is a monthly. This is going to close tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day of the month. If we can close above that, it's kind of official. It kind of makes me want to put a position on. So just keep an eye on that. I love Twitter. I think it breaks out, goes higher. In this kind of market, it hasn't been going like this. It's been going like this, right? I can't even draw the line. Straight up. Now, you know I don't want one of them straight up breakouts. I want something like that so we can stay in the trade. What we do have to be careful of is this line right here, and that's the double top. Okay, that's the double top. It might hang out there. It might blast through. Just be careful of that. We definitely get above this high, which is 47.79. Off to the races on Twitter. So what can break us out? What is this earnings right here? It's setting up for the October 29th earnings, either to break out, or hey, it could be a big letdown as well. It done it here. It done it here. All right, so just kind of keep that in mind. But I'm liking Twitter. Free stock pick, Peloton, free stock pick, trade for 200% on your money. Not 300, but 200% on your money. Still could be a billionaire with that. Free trade. This is Dre Trades 2. Tell me what you think of this video. Like it, subscribe, hit the bell, because that's the only way you're going to know how to get back and do more trades like this, because I do this all the time. I concentrate on a few handful of stocks, make money, spit them out, throw them away, find new stocks to trade. Hit the bell, because every Friday, if you're new, every Friday, I'm going to go live on Zoom, and we can shoot shit right here on the channel. You can tell me what you want to do, and you can tell me what you're talking about. We can talk about anything you want. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is Dre. Tell me what you think. Tell me about the video. Tell me about the trades. Tell me about the trade. Tell me about the past videos. Tell me about me. Tell me about my hair and all that stuff. It looks good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Dre Trades. See you.